Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. In this video students, we are going to see the problem based on chemical kinetics. Question 6. Here in question 6 students, you have the following reaction. For the reaction where 2 mole of A combines with 2 mole of B and it produces 2 mole of C and 1 mole of D. So this is the reaction students. If the concentration of A is doubled at constant B, the rate increases by a factor of 4. Okay students, if you are increasing the concentration of A is doubled at constant B, the rate increases by a factor of 4. If the concentration, second condition is students, if the concentration of B is doubled with concentration of A being constant, the rate is doubled. You have to write the rate law of the reaction. So this is the reaction students, this is the reactant side where 2 mole of A combines with 2 mole of B and it is producing 2 mole of C and 1 mole of D. Okay students, we are going to apply the rate law to these two reactant A and B. Okay students, so students, rate we are going to represent with capital R. When you apply the rate law to these reactant students, here you will find rate capital R, which is equals to product of rate constant and product of concentration of A and product of concentration of B, and its power, that is concentration of A we are showing with X, power we are showing with X, and the concentration of B we are showing with Y. Okay students, so this is the rate law we have applied to these two reactant A and B. Okay students, where capital R is equals to K into concentration of A raised to X, concentration of B raised to Y. Okay students, so this is the equation students. If you know X and Y value students, if you substitute, you will find the rate law to this reaction. Okay students, now students, what else is given students? Here the first condition students, if the concentration of A is double, that means students, if concentration of A is double at constant B, the rate increases by factor of 4. That means 4 times R. Rate is increases by factor of 4. When rate is increases by factor of 4, when concentration of A, this is the concentration symbol students, A is doubled. Okay students, you are writing as it is students. Here the concentration it is making twice, that is A is double, that means you have to write here 2 times A. Okay students, so this is the meaning of these words students. The concentration of A is double means this is the concentration of A, double we have to make twice of A. Okay students, raised to X at constant B, when the concentration of B is, we are keeping as it is, constant concentration of Y we are keeping as. This is the second condition students. Okay students, first condition of this equation we are writing as equation 2. Okay students, now just read the second condition students. If the concentration of B is doubled, what happens students? When the concentration of your B we are going to make is doubled, concentration of B is doubled, this is the concentration of B, now you are making is double, that is 2 times B when the raised to Y. When the concentration of B is doubled with concentration of A is being constant, at the time concentration of A we are keeping as it is. Okay students, and K will be as it is. At the time what happens students? When the concentration of B is doubled with concentration of A is being constant, the rate is doubled. Here rate is going to be twice. Okay students, so this is the third equation students we are writing as per second condition. This is as per first condition. Okay students, first condition I have written. So understanding students, so this is the meaning. Now what happens students? From this data, given data students, we are going to find the power of this concentration of A, X and Y. Once you got the value of X and Y, just put the value in the equation 1, you will find the rate law of these following reaction. Okay students, now what happens students? What you have to do students? See students, here the B raised to Y are common. Okay students, so we have to divide the equation. First condition we are going to divide with our rate law. Okay students, so equation, so because here B raised to Y we can cancel, so we are going to divide equation 2 we are dividing with equation 1. Okay students, so what happens students? If you are dividing equation 2 with equation 1, so you will find 4R you have to divide with R. Okay students, therefore you can write 4R you have to divide with R. 4R you are dividing with R. Now this side also you have to divide with this. Okay students, so you can say K into 2 raised to X into B raised to Y, you have to divide with K into concentration of A raised to X and concentration of B raised to Y. Okay students, now which are the similar terms students you can cancel? Okay, so here capital R with cancel with capital R, B raised to Y will cancel with B raised to Y, k with cancel with k. Now what is remaining students? 4 upon 1, which is equals to these two ratios. 4 upon 1, which is equals to 2 raised to x into concentration of x. Okay, when x will go inside, so you will find like this. In denominator students, you will have a raised to x. Okay students, now here these are similar terms will cancel students, therefore you will get 2 raised to this 4 you can also write it is the perfect square of 2 raised to 2, now which is equals to 2 raised to x. Now students, here the bases are same, so you can say x is equals to 2. So this way students, you have got the value of x. Okay students, once you got the value of x students, now you have to find the value of y. For that also students, you have to divide the equation. You have to divide equation 3. You have to divide the equation 3 in equation 1. Okay students, so we are writing equation 3, that is 2 times r, you have to divide with r, which is equals to k into a raised to x into concentration of b is what, twice, so 2 times b raised to y. You have to divide with k into a raised to x and b raised to y. Okay students, you have to cancel the similar terms students. Now here it is nothing but 2. Now k with cancel with k, and see students, a raised to x will cancel with a raised to x. Now this y will go inside students, so 2 raised to y into concentration of b raised to y. Okay students, so this way you have got the value students. Now here students, b raised to y and b raised to r both are similar terms will cancel, in numerator will cancel with denominator. Now what is remaining students? This way you can say 2 raised to y is 2 raised to 1, which is equals to 2 raised to y. Here students, bases are same, so you can find the power will be equals to y equals to 1. Okay students, once students you have got the value of x and y, you just put in the rate equation. Since you have got capital R, that is rate equation is equals to k into a raised to x into b raised to y. Now just put the value students. So new rate law will be like this students, a raised to x raised to 2, it is the square of the concentration of a, and y value you have got 1, so concentration of y raised to 1 we are writing as. So students, what will be the rate? So your rate law will be like this. For this reaction, rate law will be this. Okay students, so this is very simple students. In examination for 3 marks questions, they may ask in board examination students, this way you have to follow, you have to proceed the answer. This is very simple and very scoring students. This way you have to follow the steps. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.